Well, here we are in Adairsville, Georgia, the location of the Great Locomotive Chase. April 12, 1862, James J. Andrews led Union spies in an espionage scheme to destroy the Western and Atlantic Railroad and thus disrupt a vital supply line for the Confederacy. Andrews' raiders stole a train, the General, 50 miles south of Adairsville at Big Shanty, Kennesaw, and sped north. Conductor William Fuller pursued Andrews, first by a hand-powered pole car and then by commandeering the Texas, just south of Adairsville. With no time to turn the train around, Fuller chased the General with the Texas in reverse. At Adairsville, Fuller dropped freight cars and continued the chase with just the engine and the tender. Due to Fuller's diligent pursuit, the train and spies were captured near Ringgold, and a major destruction of the railroad system was avoided. Those Union soldiers involved in the Great Locomotive Chase became the first recipients of the Medal of Honor. And here's the original station and depot, beautifully maintained. Inside, it looks like it's a bookstore. Unfortunately, we got here too late and it was closed. But what a beautiful town. We stopped here looking for an antique store, which we found and purchased a couple items. But as you can see, the interior, it's like a bookstore or a museum type of thing. And if you go around here where the ticket window's at, that's like the office where you pay for the books and stuff like that. What a beautiful sight. Here you would wait for the train. We love this town. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Happy railroading. Bye. On to the next.